Welcome to another tutorial in PHP. Let's get started. We'll make our directory. Then we are in our directory now. Create our PHP file. This time we'll be looking at function. So what's PHP function? Function are blocks of code so we'll create a function by saying function, the name of the function, and display our result. And type so let's on our Apache. So inside our Apache, then declare our we'll see the hello world working. So the function is created and is called using a name. This is the first one. When a variable is declared outside a function, it's called a global variable. So let's say number dollar is equals to 300. So clear on our function. So call it sum. So we want to get this name. You can easily get it by saying number. Let's see. We are calling it result. And we can add any number to it, and we plus 400 and can echo result. So let's call the sum. So now I say undefined variable number in line 16. So it's not getting this number, which is the same thing with this. So all we need to tell it, we need to tell PHP that is a global. So we need to tell PHP is a global variable number. We have done that. We can be able to use it here. So let's check. You see, it's giving us results. Sorry, and we put the $x and without no string. Sorry, and we have the 700. So this is a global scope. In PHP, only local scope can you declare in a function directly. But if you are using a variable outside the function, you must tell PHP that is a global scope. Another thing to look at is passing a parameter to a function. See summing. We're gonna have some. Alright. Let's give this a result name sum, and we can pass a parameter to be 3 and 5, and here will be A and B. Put it in dollar, sorry, and we can return here to be $A plus $. So echo result. Alright, so come down here, load, we have our 8. So we have passed a parameter into our function, which is able to calculate the sum and also return it from us. We might not even use this result here. We can choose to use it here. Alright, then pass our parameter. Then the easy method to do that, then we can just take this here and remove this here. We can remove the title here, the name of the function, but we have put it in here as a name. So then we are echoing our function, get our function result. So we see this function giving us error because in previous one we're not declaring anything. Since we are giving here a variable, PHP wants us to close this. Alright, since we gave you a variable, we need to close this so we can run now. Alright, to give us the same effect. So we can check the number to 7. We have 10. So this is how we work on function in PHP. We still have a function called the arrow function. So we are declaring our function. So we declare the variable here. Sorry, not the value. This is the perimeter. Alright, so we have that in here. We declare the argument. Alright, so let's run. So we have here to be 12. Okay. This is a single line function in PHP, so it's called the arrow function. So these are the functions in PHP.